Hello everyone. So today I wanted to do um, answer a question that I got in the comments on YouTube. Real quick, I'll just do like a quick little video. The question was, how do I get the display fertile window and display ovulation onto the calendar view? And how you do that is you just go to the calendar view and then go up to these three dots, select properties, and right now they're hidden from the calendar view. So we are going to go to where it says display for a window and select show, and display ovulation and select show. And there they are. Right now I have it so that it will on that day show, if it is the day that you're fertile, it'll show like a little flower and say today you're fertile. Or if you're ovulating, it'll say today you're ovulating. But I'm going to leave that on there where it says the windows, so they're always on there. Okay, and another thing I wanted to talk about was how to add those to a separate database. So currently the calculations are on the period tracker database. And as you can see in the period symptoms database, and then the very top cards, board views, you can see that it says the fertile window and ovulation. And how I did that is through relation. So let's say you want this on a totally separate database for whatever reason. I have it on a totally separate database because I have like relations to all my databases on one card, on one board view. So let's say you want to do that. What you do is you just create a relation, and as you can see here on the second line, in the period symptoms database, I have period tracker relation, and then I selected the month. So for this one, it's selected January. And then you can see the fertile window and the ovulation here in roll-ups. And I'm just going to do a quick demonstration and then delete them. So you go to add property in whatever database you're in, and then you go to relation. Select the database that you want to relate this database to. And we're going to say period tracker. Oop, not that one. That's the old period tracker. Let me try this again. Relation, period tracker. Come on. There we go. And then we'll name it period tracker relation just so that we know when we're looking for it. We then will select the month view that we want to show. Let's say we want to show this January. And then we'll select or create a roll-up. Let's say we make a ovulation roll-up. We will go down to roll-up, select the period tracker relation, and then just select display ovulation. And there you go. And then you can add even more. You can add the fertile, make a roll up, select period tracker relation, and then go to display fertile window. And there you go. So that's how you would put this information into any other database that you want to. Because I already have this in this database, I'm just going to go ahead and delete these. And that's how you can quickly delete it, is just by deleting that relation. Then I'll delete, and then just delete the roll-ups. Okay, and then you go back, and that's how you put that into any other relation or database. The other question was, how did I come up with these calculations? I did a quick Google search. It kind of tells you, or it does tell you how to calculate your fertile window and ovulation, and I created a formula with that, and it has to do with a certain amount of days from your, I believe, your last period day, and something I think to do with your cycle days too. I don't remember the exact formula, it's somewhere in here. But that's how I did it. And then I tested it out with my Samsung app, because I have a Samsung phone and I use the Samsung Health period tracker app, or the Samsung Health app, and it has a period tracker. And I did a few months of my periods and compared it to that, in the predicted periods and the predicted ovulation and predicted fertile window were all the same. So as far as accuracy, it's as accurate as the Samsung um, Health app. That's, which I think is pretty accurate. If you're trying to get pregnant, would I go by a period tracker? I personally wouldn't, but it's, I guess that's just up to you. If you do, and maybe you get an ovulation test or something, let me know. Let me know how accurate it was. Um, if you have any other questions, comments, anything, I love them. I appreciate them. I love any feedback, any questions. I always like to work on improving my templates, creating more templates when I have the time. I'm kind of busy right now because I work and go to school full time, but any free time I have, I'm trying to create something. I only have 4 right now, and the period tracker is the only one that I'm charging, and it's $1. The rest are free. So if you have gotten this period tracker template and you do like it, that's awesome. Either way, I would appreciate like a review and Gumroad. That would be nice. Um, if you could do that. Also, um, I'll try to create more. I'm really excited that so many people have gotten this template. I didn't expect so many people to, want it and duplicate it and purchase it, whatever. That's awesome. So originally I created this just because I couldn't find a period tracker that did everything that I wanted it to. I found some pretty nice ones out there, but I wanted to do certain things, and so I created it. And since then, I think I've kind of started getting into wanting to create more templates. If you have any ideas for any more templates, just let me know, and I would love to try to work on it and create it. I guess that's it. I hope I explained everything well. Um, mm, right now, my YouTube videos are just like screen recording on my iPad. I was using one app on my computer. The audio quality isn't so great. I notice it's like choppy and stuff. I'll try to improve on that. Right now I can't, but give a like, subscribe. Thank you so much. Have a great day.